The S24 Ultra is already one of the best gaming phones out there, but the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to take things to the next level. Not only will it be more powerful, but it will also make better use of that power. Glowing star. According to tipster Ahmed Qurdi on X, the S25 Ultra's vapor chamber will provide 42% better cooling than the S24 Ultra. This means it will stay cooler during intense gaming sessions, ensuring the chipset maintains its peak performance. Flex biceps fire. Performance can sometimes be throttled when a device heats up too much. The Samsung Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus are also expected to see a 10% boost in cooling, which is great news. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset anticipated in these phones won't be hampered by heat. Qualcomm has noted it should deliver a 34% boost in GPU performance, a 38% increase in CPU performance, and a 43% enhancement in MPU performance. Trophy rocket. But that's not all. According to reputed leaker Ice Universe, the S25 Ultra could also offer higher video quality when recording at night thanks to CPU upgrades. The Snapdragon 8 Elite is expected to assist with more than just gaming. It's unclear if these video upgrades will apply to the entire S25 lineup, but since the same chipset is used, other versions might benefit as well. Let's go through what we can expect from the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Screen. Sources suggest a 6.86-inch display, likely marketed as 6.9 inches. This is slightly bigger than the S24 Ultra's 6.8-inch screen. A larger screen means a more immersive gaming and viewing experience. Video game mobile phone. Resolution. Expected to have at least 1440 by 3120 resolution, matching or exceeding the S24 Ultra. With a larger panel, there's a potential for even higher resolution. Glowing star television. Refresh rate. Predicted to feature a 120 Hz refresh rate, just like its predecessor, ensuring smooth visuals. Popcorn laptop computer. Chipset. The most intriguing upgrade is the Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, it will handle AI tasks and gaming with ease. Most phones don't come close to this level of performance. Flex biceps brain. RAM and storage. Base models are expected to have 12 GB of RAM with 256 GB of storage. To get 16 GB of RAM, you'll need to go for the 512 GB or 1 TB variant. Faster storage is also anticipated. Floppy disk bar chart. Cameras. The S25 Ultra might boast a 50MP ultra-wide camera along with the 200MP primary sensor, 50MP periscope camera, 10MP telephoto camera, and 12MP front-facing camera from the S24 Ultra. Camera with flash glowing star. Battery and charging. Expected to feature a 5000 mAh battery and 45W charging, similar to the S24 Ultra. Battery high voltage. Considering the upgrades, the S25 Ultra might cost slightly more than its predecessor. The S24 Ultra starts at $799, so we estimate the S25 Ultra could start around $840 or higher, depending on the storage capacity and other enhancements. Dollar banknote chart increasing.